Hey, Lady C here. Welcome to Creative Studio. And in the upcoming tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a default font. So each time you start your Microsoft Word document, you're using the same font and size each time without having to manually change that. That can be very frustrating and time-consuming over a period of time. So take a look at my computer right now. Notice how my font is Book Antiqua. Now check this out. If I press Control N like Nancy for new, it's going to create a new document. So every time I create a new document, it's going to be Book Antiqua 11. And people find themselves going up to the toolbar, changing it to Times New Roman 12 or whatever it is they want. But if you don't want to have to keep doing that each time you start a document, all you have to do is change the default font. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to the toolbar on the Home tab. And from the Home tab, there's a section called Font. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this diagonal pointing arrow here on the toolbar. Once you do that, you're going to notice that the font window appears. Take a look at what we have. We have Book Antiqua. But if I start typing Times, notice how Times New Roman shows up. I'm going to choose Times New Roman. And I'm going to choose the font size 12. And now we're going to tell the computer to set this as the default font. So I'm going to choose Set as Default. I don't want it to just be this document only. I want all documents that's based on the normal template. So I'm going to choose the second option and choose OK. All right. Now, the next time I press Control N, notice how Times New Roman 12 shows up on the screen each time. So no longer do you have to go in and manually change your font, because what we're doing here is we're telling the computer that the next time you start a document, it's going to start with the font and size of your choice. Now, this is not going to go back and change all of your existing documents, so don't worry about that happening. But this has been Lady C, and I hope that these tips have been helpful. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.